Here are great gift ideas for the DIYer in your family. These are all products I actually use. Be sure to stick around for the most budget-friendly gifts at the end. Coming up first is the Milwaukee Hardline Pocket Knife. When I purchased this 2.5-inch version, it was at $50, but they currently have the 3-inch version at $50. This has been a great little pocket knife that I use for my non-work everyday carry. Next up, we have this 600 lumen rechargeable headlamp. This headlamp has been great to use in things like the attic, crawl space, and even out camping. It has 4 different brightness modes, a 90-degree tilt, and even a removable battery. While we're on the subject of lights, this is a handy little flashlight that is 250 lumen and also rechargeable. This is even small enough that I do sometimes use it as an everyday carry in my back pocket. 2 really neat features about this flashlight is 1, it does actually include a laser, but 2, it has a rubber texture on the end of the light, so if you need a quick hands-free moment with extra light, you can just stick it in between your teeth and it doesn't hurt, like the metal would. Probably about every project is going to require some gloves. And this is a couple different versions of the same product. This first set is the Milwaukee dipped gloves. The thing I really like about these is the dexterity feeling that you have on your fingertips to where you can actually feel small objects you're picking up. And this next pair is the same exact thing, only they have the benefit of being insulated. Both of these gloves have a level 1 cut resistance. Because they are insulated, they are a little bit thicker, so you don't have quite the same feeling on your fingertips as you do with the non-insulated. But they are very impressive for the dexterity you can get with being insulated. Now this next product is very random, but a very useful tool. It's a great accessory to have for getting into those tight spaces that don't allow a drill to fit. It will work on any 1/4-inch impact drill. Before we get to the budget-friendly alternatives, the last item is simply a beanie hat. It just makes a huge difference if you have any project that you have to do outside. This Milwaukee beanie has a nice secondary layer that is a softer material that rests against your ears. Another beanie that I love is the good old reliable Carhartt. For those extra cold days, it's really nice to have that extra length to pull down farther under your ears and onto your neck. And lastly, the budget-friendly knife, the one that I use on every project to have on hand because it has the replaceable blade really quick and easy, is the Milwaukee Fastback. There are a few different versions of this knife, but this version is only $10. And just as a little bonus add-on to go along with the gloves that we showed earlier, these are also insulated gloves. These specific gloves are found at Speedway. Yep, Speedway gas stations. And if I remember right, when I purchased these, they were only about $8. Now I will provide an Amazon link to the same ones, but they are more expensive. These are a great budget-friendly option, but the downside to them is they don't provide as much dexterity with the fingertips like the other gloves did.